This is an ordinary separation pad, and this is our Octopus separation pad. What's the difference between them? Let's take a look. The ordinary separation pad could fit the screen well, just like this. Very stable. But it cannot resist the pull from the holder. See? It will make the screen is not stable enough when we do the separation. When we separate the frame for iPhone, when we separate the middle frame from the curved screen, when we separate the badly broken screen, cannot stable at all. So I would like to introduce you the National Octopus separation pad. It could solve the problem perfectly to make an ordinary separator have a powerful function. The main point is it could suitable to all the separators in the market, including the one in your hand. The only thing you need to do is align the hole on the machine, then it could become a totally new machine. Let me show you. For iPhone, very good. For the curved screen, it's very stable. For the badly broken screen, it was very good. So, what are you waiting for? Just come to upgrade your machine.